Hello and welcome to the Expert Academy. Are you looking to discover your purpose? Do you want to make sure that the goals you have are right for you? Are you wondering how to set goals that give you the best chances of success? Well then, this Goal Setting for Personal Development course is for you. It covers the importance and power of goal setting, including the science behind why goals boost performance. We'll equip you with the knowledge, tools and techniques to find your purpose, set relevant goals, and ensure you can work towards your goals consistently and get the results you've always desired. Through a series of short video-based lectures, you will learn the science and psychology of purpose, how to define what success means for you, how to set goals in a way that makes you 76% more likely to achieve them compared to what most people do, how to harness your strengths and mitigate against your weaknesses, what not to eat for breakfast if you want to be highly motivated, and much more. So, who is the course for? While it can benefit professionals at all levels and in all roles, it especially suits anyone whose perspective on life, career, and success has changed since the pandemic. Small business owners and self-employed people who are struggling with sticking to long-term goals and want a successful system they can implement. Anyone who lacks purpose and doesn't know what they want. Anyone who wants a career change. Students who have achieved a qualification but are reconsidering their direction in life. Anyone who feels stuck and unable to take practical action. Anyone whose priorities are changing. Anyone who struggles to take consistent action, change their habits and track their progress. Are you ready to learn the personal power of goal setting? Are you keen to learn how to overcome the challenges above? We look forward to welcoming you to this course soon.